to learn how to fly that plane. And I was scrutinized and put through every test possible. But at the end of that time, I became a better pilot for it. And that's when I had even more respect for Qantas's ability to do it right, and do it with integrity, pride, and honor.
Now, you're qualified on a lot of aircraft, eh?
10 different jet aircraft.
10. And you have a large number of hours that you've flown as well.
I'm close to 7,000 hours now as a jet pilot.
Now, that would be nearly the same level as a commercial pilot. So, you know, I think a big round of applause for this man's experience and what he's gone through. Now, can I ask you, John, coming to Australia, do you like coming back here?
Well, when I was flying in today, I saw that countryside. It's so gorgeous. It's so beautiful. But it's really the people that I love. They're my favorite. There's something about the Australians that get me right here. And it started all with Olivia Newton-John, as you know. And I fell in love with her years ago, and then I found out all the people that she grew up with were just as special and just as beautiful. So, thank you.
Now, how was that Qantas 707 performing? You came down on it. What was your flight like?
The flight was gorgeous. It's the 5th time I've taken it around the world. And it's an old plane, but it's a classic, and I love flying it. And it was a great trip. I flew in from Florida. My wife is pregnant. She's about to give birth in 20 days. So if at any point she goes into labor, I have to take that plane straight back, 22 hours, and be with her.
So you've got the phone on hand with
I have the phone in hand, and if it happens, I'm going to say adios. I got to go.
Now, we might take a few questions. Sophie's going to have a few questions.